Hey everyone, it's Bianca Jordan, immigration attorney at Brazen Legal. I help my clients get legal status without leaving the United States. If you've got an immigration case you'd like us to help you with, you can give my office a call at 508-942-7497, or you can visit brazenlegal.com/contact to book a consultation today. Today's video is about what's going on at the southern border with Haitian migrants coming up into the United States. I did this video in Haitian Creole a few days ago, and I figured it might be helpful to also do this video in English as well. So from what we know, there are upwards of 14 or 15,000 Haitian migrants that are traveling to the United States from countries such as Brazil, Chile, Venezuela, and Mexico, and they are seeking refuge in the United States. From what I understand, many of them were motivated to make this trip to the United States based on faulty information that was shared in a WhatsApp message that informed people if they were able to come to the United States at any time, as long as they made it here, they would be able to apply for temporary protected status for Haiti. So many of them relied on this bad information and made this trek up to the United States. And so I want to clear up, just for the purposes of this video, temporary protected status for Haiti was redesignated. However, in order to apply for temporary protected status for Haiti, you had to have been in the United States as of July 29th, 2021. So people that are coming up to the United States now wanting to apply for TPS for Haiti are not going to be able to do so, because you have to show that you have been here since at least July 29th, 2021. Nonetheless, many of these Haitian migrants are seeking asylum as well. And under our international laws, immigration laws, asylum laws, anyone has the right to come to the United States and ask for asylum. In order to apply for asylum, you have to show that your government has persecuted you, or you have a fear of being persecuted or tortured if you were to return to your home country on account of race, nationality, religion, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion. So a lot of these Haitian migrants are coming to the United States seeking a legal benefit, despite the fact that some of them may not have any legal status, such as a visitor's visa, to come to the United States. What they're doing is not illegal. It is not illegal to come up to a country and ask for asylum. Regardless of the ultimate outcome of these Haitian migrants' cases, they are still human beings, and the treatment from the videos that we've seen, I'm not even going to delve into that really, but just the mistreatment that we've seen of these Haitian immigrants that are seeking asylum is beyond ridiculous and beyond inhumane. And at the end of the day, these are human beings who are seeking a legal benefit through our immigration system, and they should be afforded the ability to do that with dignity and humanity. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, how I can help you get legal status. If you're not already, please follow me on Instagram at Brazen Lawyer, where you can get some behind the scenes peeks at what I'm doing when I'm not lawyering. Thanks for watching.